Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn about experimental techniques. So first, testing for purity. So pure substance and mixture. Compositions of pure substance: a single substance not mixed with anything. Yes. And mixture contains two or more substances. Melting and boiling point. Pure substance melting point should be fixed points and mixture over a range of temperature. Chromatography produces a single spot on the chromatographic paper if you have pure substance, and mixture contains two or more spots. Now, purification of substances. Pure substances are substances that contains only one type of substance, do not have any impurities. For example, pure sugar only contains sugar molecules. Pure water only contains water molecules. Pure substances have fixed boiling point and melting point. For example, pure water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Effect of impurities on the boiling point of pure liquids. You know, the presence of impurities in a pure substance can be increase its boiling point, decrease its freezing point. For example, when a salt is added to a pure water, water will be boiled at temperature higher than 100 degrees Celsius and will melt at a temperature below 0 degrees Celsius. So, the importance of pure substances. Impurities in medicine may cause undesirable side effects. Impurities in metals weaken its structure more than it should be. Chemicals are added to food and beverages to make them last longer, taste better, or look more attractive appealing, save for consumption chemicals. So, my friend, mixture made up of two substances mixed together, solution and suspension. The states are completely mixed: salt in water, air mix of O2, H2, N2 and other gases. Suspension, the states are separate and can be seen: sand in water, oil in water. So solute, solvent give solution. Solutions are made of solvent and solute. Liquid in which a solid dissolved water is most common solvent. Solution in water is called aqueous solution. Other solvents are also used for solid insoluble in water. The solid which dissolves in a liquid. Some solids are soluble and some are insoluble. The solubility of every substance is different. So, solute plus solvent is called solution. Water is not the only solvent. Water is the world's most common solvent. A solution in water is called an aqueous solution, from aqua, the Latin word for water. But many other solvents are used in industries and about the house to dissolve substances that are insoluble in water. For example, white spirit, glass paints, solvent, propane or acetone, grease or nail polish. It dissolves, means grease dissolve in acetone and nail polish also dissolve in acetone. Ethanol, glues, printing ink and other substances like perfumes. All these solvents evaporate easily at room temperature. They are volatile. This means that glues and paints dry easily. After shave feels cool because ethanol cools the skin when it is evaporates. So about volatile liquids, a volatile liquid is one that evaporates easily. This is a sign that the forces between the particles are weak. So volatile liquids have low boiling point too. Helping solute dissolves. Sugar dissolves quite slowly in water and room temperature. If you stir the liquids, that help, but if you keep on adding sugar, so eventually no more of it will dissolve no matter how hard you stir. The extra sink to the bottom, the solution is now saturated. You know, my friend, but look what happen if you heat the solution. The extra sugar dissolve and more sugar it will dissolve too as temperature rises. Now, so sugar is more soluble in hot water than in cold water. A soluble solid eventually gets more soluble as the temperature rises. A solution is called saturated when it can dissolve no more solute at the temperature. So compound mass gram dissolve in 100 gram of water at 25 degrees Celsius. Silver nitrate, calcium nitrate, sugar, potassium nitrate, potassium sulfate, calcium hydroxide, calcium carbonate, and silver chloride. Separation technique, methods of purification. Filtration to separate insoluble solid from liquids. So you can see the setup. Mixture of solid and liquids. You can see the filter paper. You can see the filter funnel. You can see the residue. Large particles of solid are trapped by the filter paper. Then you can see the filtrate and filter paper with a small pore, and small particles of liquid pass through the filter paper. A mixture is poured into the filter funnel lined with filter paper. Liquid particles are small enough to go through the pores of the filter paper, but the solid particles are too large to go through. Collect the filtrate that passes through the filter paper in conical flasks. The solid that remains in the filter paper are called residue. So decanting, just pouring the liquids away to separate a dense insoluble solid from liquid. Evaporation or dryness, to separate soluble solid from liquids. So evaporating dish, you can see the setup. Think, how can you separate a mixture containing salt and sand? Add a suitable solvent and filter. So separating salt and sand, add some distilled water into the mixture of salt and sand, stir and make sure all the salt has dissolved. Filter the mixtures. Now separating salt and sand, wash the residue with little distilled water to remove all the salt solution from it. Evaporate the filtrate to dryness, salt solution and sand. So limitations, some substance decompose strongly when heated strongly. Soluble impurities may be left behind after all the water has been removed. So water could not be used to separate salt and sugar because it dissolves both, but you could use ethanol, which dissolves sugar but not salt. Ethanol is flammable, so should be evaporated over a water bath as shown here. So evaporating the ethanol from a solution of sugar in ethanol over a water bath. Crystallization, to separate soluble solid from liquids as crystals. Bitter methods. So the impure solid is dissolved in a solvent, stirred to dissolve solid, solvent, impure solid, and then evaporate. The solution is heated to evaporate most of the solvent. Heating is stopped when a hot saturated solution is formed. You can see the crystal. The hot solution is allowed to cool. The solid appears as pure crystals. Filter paper, you can see the cold solution is poured off to obtain the crystal. The crystal may be derived by pressing them between sheets of the filter paper. Now, how do we test for saturated solution? The procedure: a clean glass rod can be used to test whether a solution is saturated. It is dipped into the solution and removed. There will be a small amounts of solution on the rod. If small crystal form on the rod as the solution cool, the solution is saturated. Think, how would you purify solid sodium nitrate contaminate with the solid leads or sulfate? Sodium nitrate is soluble in water but not lead sulfate. So simple distillation to separate a pure liquids from a solution. The process of boiling liquids and condense the vapor. You can see the here setup: thermometer, flask, water in, water out. This is the condenser, pure water, and this is the small setup. So water vapor, mixture, salt and water, cooling water out, cooling water in. What happened here? Here is the cooling and Bunsen burner, and here you can see the water. So simple distillation: solution is heated until it boils. Pure liquid turns into vapor and leaves the flask. Vapor is then cooled by a condenser, which changes it back into a liquid. The liquid is collected in a conical flask and is called distillate. So distillation: separation a liquid from a solution. You can see the salt solutions, heating, thermometer setup, water in, water out. This is condenser, and pure water. This is simple distillation. Solution is heated in a flask until the solution boils. Pure liquid turns into a vapor and leaves the flask. Vapor is then cooled by a condenser, which changes it back into liquids. Liquid is called the distillates and is collected in a conical flask. How does simple distillations work? So in the distillation flask, water boils and enters the condenser. In the condenser, water vapor condenses. Pure water is collected as distillates. Now safety measurements. Thermometer: this ensure that the thermometer measure the boiling point of the substance that is being distilled. Boiling chips to ensure smooth boiling. Now, if the distillate is volatile, the receiver can be put in a large container filled with ice, and this will help to keep the temperature of distilled water and distillate low so that it remain in the liquid state. Now, where is the bulb of thermometer placed? This ensures that the thermometer measures the boiling point of the substance being distilled. How does the water enter and leave the condenser? Cold running water enters from the bottom of the condenser and leaves from the top. So around 97% of the water on the earth is seawater. So obtaining pure water from seawater is known as desalination. By distillations of the seawater only way. Disadvantage: expensive method because oil is the main fuel used to heat the water in the distillation process, and a lot of oil is required, which makes the process very costly. So fractional distillation: to separate a mixture of miscible liquids with widely different boiling points. So you can see the setup. This is the fractional setup. So how does the temperature change as a solution of ethanol and water undergoes fractional distillation? The temperature of mixture increase and it is heated. Now how does the temperature change as a solution of ethanol and water undergoes fractional distillation? You can see here. And how does the temperature change as a solution of ethanol and water undergoes fractional distillations? Now separation techniques, a method of purification. Fractional distillation: liquid with the lower boiling point will be distilled first. Why is the fractionating column filled with the glass beads or plates and spirals? So separation technique uses use of separating funnel to separate immiscible liquids, a stopper, separating funnel, oil, free dense liquids and less dense liquids, water, dense liquids in here tab. So use of separating funnel